Okay, so now that we have our planning done and we have our topic, we need to go into our introduction. So if you have watched the introduction video, great, you're ready to go. But if you have not watched the introduction video yet, pause this one, go back and watch that before you come to this video. So we are going to practice our introduction. So if you remember, my topic was that teachers should get every Friday off. And that also means that students should get every Friday off. So I need to put my examples. My introduction. I am all over the place right now. So my first thing I need is a question. So a question that's going to hook my readers into my topic. So I could say something like, did you know studies show that adults get more work done when they have a 3-day weekend. So that's my hook. That's what I'm going to get people interested in reading my essay or my speech. And then I need to ask for something from my audience. So I'm going to ask, can we please have 3-day weekends for teachers and students? So this is the question that you want to ask to your audience. So if you're doing an essay or a speech to your parents, you could say, Mom and Dad, can I please have more time on the Xbox today? Or ask a question about, can I please have more free time in the morning? Whatever you want is what you're going to ask in that second sentence. So in your introduction, you need 2 questions, which means you will have 2 complete sentences in your introduction. All right, go ahead and get to work.